In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted ChatGPT chats. Before we dive in, I want to set clear expectations. When a chat is deleted in ChatGPT, it's removed from your interface right away and scheduled for permanent deletion from the system. That means full recovery often isn't possible. Still, there are a few things you can try that sometimes help you find or reconstruct what you need. Start by opening ChatGPT and signing in to the correct account. If you use more than one login, double check you're in the right workspace so you're not searching in the wrong place. Next, consider whether the conversation was archived instead of deleted. Archiving hides a chat from the main sidebar without erasing it. If you think that might be the case, open Settings and look for the option labeled Manage Archived Chats. In there, you can browse the archived list and unarchive anything you want to bring back to the main view. This is the quickest win if a chat simply went missing but wasn't truly deleted. If the chat isn't in your archive, try exporting your data. Go to Settings, then Data Controls, and choose Export Data. You'll request a download of your account data, which typically arrives as a link to a zip file. Inside, you'll find files that include your conversation history in a structured format. While this export won't resurrect a chat that's already been permanently purged, it can sometimes include content that hasn't fully cleared the back end yet. Timing matters here. The closer you are to the deletion event, the better your chances, though results aren't guaranteed. Another option is to ask your current ChatGPT session about topics from the deleted conversation. If memory features were enabled or if the system still retains limited temporary context, it may recall high-level themes or preferences you mentioned. Treat this as a way to jog your memory rather than a precise transcript. Always verify details because temporary or inferred memory can be incomplete. To wrap up, remember the reality. Truly deleted chats are usually gone for good. Your best moves are to check your archive, request a data export promptly, and see if the current session can recall broad topics you discussed. Going forward, consider archiving instead of deleting when you might need something later, giving important chats clear titles so they're easier to spot, and exporting your data periodically so you have an offline backup. With these strategies, you'll give yourself the best possible chance of finding what you need, even when a conversation seems out of reach.